In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your active status on Slack. Whether you're looking to focus uninterrupted or simply want to be offline to complete other tasks, Slack makes it easy to appear offline to your colleagues. By following a few simple steps, you can manage how and when you're available to others on this popular communication platform. To get started, you'll first want to open your Slack application on your computer or mobile device. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Give it a click. This will open up a small menu with several options related to your account settings. In this menu, you'll notice an option that says Set Yourself as Away. Clicking on this option is the key step to toggling your active status off. This specific function allows you to manually change your status, indicating to others that you're not actively available. It's important to note that once you select this, the little green dot that typically signifies your online presence will disappear. This means others within your Slack workspace will now see you as offline, so they'll likely not expect an immediate response to any messages they might send. This change is entirely within your control, allowing you the flexibility to switch your status back to active whenever needed. Whether you're stepping out for a break or just need a bit of uninterrupted time to concentrate on a project, you can return to this same menu to toggle back to active whenever you're ready to re-engage with your team. Another helpful tip is to remember this feature whenever you're in a situation where your Slack time doesn't necessarily align with your online presence. It's a powerful tool to manage notifications and expectations from your colleagues, making your work environment more conducive to productivity and focus. With these easy steps, you have full command over your availability on Slack. So whether you're just starting your workday or winding down, these controls ensure you're communicating your status effectively. Thanks for joining us today as we walk through how to adjust your active status. Remember, you can revisit these steps anytime you need to toggle your status on Slack, keeping your digital interactions as efficient and private as you wish. Happy Slacking!